Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to randomly play attack animations in Godot, so your character doesn't repeat the same attack every time. This is perfect for melee combat, combos, or enemy AI. First, make sure your character has an animation player node. Inside it, create multiple attack animations. For example, attack 1, attack 2, attack 3. These can be completely different animations or just slight variations. Here I only have one attack. I am going to create 2 more attack animations. You can get the character asset with all animations in the link in description. And also watch my previous video about how to make attack animation. Now, let's jump into the script. You can get my final script as description. We'll start by creating an array that holds all of our attack animation names. This makes it easy to add or remove attacks later. When the player presses the attack button, we'll randomly choose one animation from the array. Pick _random parens is built into Godot and does exactly what we need. No extra math required. To make sure the randomness feels natural, especially after restarting the game, call randomize inside ready function. This ensures you don't get the same attack pattern every time you launch the game. Now, let's test it. When a player attacks, it should play a random attack from attacks 1, 2, and 3. That's what we expected. Want some attacks to be rarer? Just duplicate them in the array. Now attack _1 is more likely to play than the others, and that's it. You now have random attack animations that instantly make combat feel more dynamic. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Godot tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.